XRP will lead the fourth industrial revolution. You may have heard about the fourth industrial revolution many times now. It is a new era integrating communications with automating industrial practices and traditional manufacturing. This fourth IR will lead to a new financial system, and the currency used will be XRP. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you daily updates about XRP. As we have announced a monthly giveaway of 1,000 XRP coins, so hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway. And don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views in the comments section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. In today's video, we will talk about the fourth industrial revolution and XRP. You will be answered about what is the fourth industrial revolution, why we needed it, and how XRP will lead the revolution and the new financial system. You will also be updated about the lawsuit and the current price analysis for XRP in the end. So, let's start our video. The fourth industrial revolution, 4IR, is a term coined in 2016 by Klaus Schwab, founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum. It is characterized by the convergence and complementarity of emerging technology domains, including nanotechnology, biotechnology, new materials, and advanced digital production technologies. The latter includes 3D printing, human-machine interfaces, and artificial intelligence, and is already transforming the global industrial landscape. Incorporating ADP technologies into industrial production processes has given rise to the concept of Industry 4.0, also known as the smart factory, one that learns as it works, continuously adapting and optimizing its own processes accordingly. By definition, the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, is the ongoing automation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices using modern smart technology. Large-scale machine-to-machine communication, M2M, and the Internet of Things are integrated for increased automation, improved communication and self-monitoring, and production of smart machines that can analyze and diagnose issues without the need for human intervention. It represents a fundamental change in the way we live, work, and relate to one another. It is a new chapter in human development, enabled by extraordinary technological advances commensurate with the first, second, and third industrial revolutions. The fourth brings all-encompassing change at a magnitude humanity has never before experienced. Especially this revolution is changing humans. As Klaus Schwab put it, one of the main features of the fourth industrial revolution is that it does not change what we are doing, it changes us. Now, stunning innovations which include Internet of Things, genetic engineering, 3D printing, artificial intelligence or AI, driverless vehicles, robotics, and smart machines bring the fourth industrial revolution. David Schwartz said that blockchains are the heart of the fourth industrial revolution. Now, which currency comes into your mind when we talk about innovation, sustainability, and financial systems of the world? Yes, it is XRP. Ripple says that XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open-source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP is technological innovation. We know that the world is moving toward digitalization. Governments all around the world are experimenting with the virtual currency or central bank digital currency. Most countries are still only starting to explore the idea, such as the US form of a digital dollar. A few ambitious countries, including China with its digital yuan and South Korea, have already finished a demo and are piloting the technology. Soon the whole world will be using the CBDCs, and XRP will act as the bridge currency for these CBDCs. The fourth industrial revolution certainly presents colossal changes all around, and particularly in the financial system. Ripple XRP has been named the favorite of many world organizations because it performs faster and cheaper with the least energy consumption. This factor gives Ripple a huge advantage over other cryptocurrencies. The world is facing a climate crisis. In this all, we cannot use the currencies with such huge energy consumption like Bitcoin, and it is one of the reasons why China banned crypto mining. XRP is about to enter its great adoption through CBDCs. It will fuel the economy as it performs cheaper, faster, and safer financial transactions. XRP is ideal for executing the shift to the worldwide, trustless, and open new economy. To thrive in the fourth industrial revolution, we require a radical new economic system. Stuart Wallace, executive director of the New Economics Foundation, said, "We need a shift to a new system that will allow us to meet the basic needs of every human on the planet, that will live within the planetary means, that will be fairer, and that will be focused on its key goal, not on growth per se, but on maximizing human well-being." And history tells us that a value shift is triggered by the creation of a new story about how we want to live. According to an online article, with the advent of the internet built upon the third digital industrial revolution, emerging technology breakthroughs in fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, quantum computing, nanotechnologies, and blockchain technology evolved. Bitcoin is the first one of its kind, but its energy consumption and unsustainability makes it unfavorable. Other private digital assets, stablecoins, global stablecoins by private firms, and recently CBDCs by countries has evolved for cross-border payments, which are faster. It takes 4 to 5 seconds to receive value and settlement. Cheaper in terms of transaction cost, 0.0004 per transaction, negotiable energy consumption, very scalable, perform 1,500 transactions per second, and interoperable, works across the network. The facts provided here might ring a bell. XRP is the digital currency that provides such faster, cheaper, and scalable transactions. XRP is the one currency that suits best to lead the new financial system caused by the fourth industrial revolution. According to the Ripple Insight, as we've noted in the past, multinational corporations already make up over 90% of payments volume in the world. It's understandable that as these companies enter Industry 4.0, they'll want smart inventory not only of their goods and services, but also their capital. After all, two primary benefits included by the Industry 4.0 Working Group's 2013 paper are flexibility and resource productivity and efficiency. Eventually, the expectation will be that payments are able to play by the same rules. What we're seeing is the convergence of the Internet of Data, physical things, and value. My colleague Ryan Zagon explained to me. Ryan is head of regulatory relations, former head of research at Ripple, and is an elected member of the Federal Reserve's Faster Payments Task Force Steering Committee. I see the Internet of Value as the underlying incentive structure for the Internet of Things. Ryan continued, but to get there, we need to be able to make payments in real time, to be able to make both large dollar and micropayments economically. Looking to the future, I expect payments to not only become more integrated into our lives, but also passive as they become automated, interoperable, and seamless. New technology and payment infrastructure will enable the next industrial revolution. It will have a tremendous impact on productivity, efficiency, and even risk management and oversight capabilities. Right now, it's been 8 months since Ripple has been under a lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. In the latest update, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's motion to obtain international discovery has been granted by Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn. As reported by You Today, Garlinghouse is seeking to obtain documents about his XRP trading records from Binance Holdings Limited, a subsidiary of the Binance Exchange that is based in the Cayman Islands. The court will arrange the delivery of a letter of request to the Central Authority of the Cayman Islands on Garlinghouse's behalf after communicating with counsel. The motion was widely expected to be granted since there was no opposition from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. As for the price of XRP, according to Crypto Potato, XRP is still up a powerful 21.5% this week. However, the bulls are now up against a serious resistance they failed to break through on several occasions in the past. This week's 21.5% surge for XRP saw the coin climb above the 20-day MA around 60 cents to reach the current 74-cent level. It broke above the descending wedge formation over the past fortnight and started to surge inside an ascending price channel. The price channel allowed XRP to break the 50-day MA last week, but the coin is now struggling to overcome the 200-day MA at around 0.781 cents. In addition, there is a bearish 0.236 fib that also bolsters the resistance here. The market has been rejected 5 times at the 200-day MA, but the lower boundary of the price channel continues to provide support. Looking ahead, the first resistance lies at 0.781 cents. On the other side, the first support lies at 71 cents. This is followed by the 0.667 cents 50-day MA, 0.638 cents 20-day MA, and 60 cents. The daily RSI is in bullish territory and points upward, indicating that the buying momentum is increasing. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 71 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3 billion USD. XRP is down 4.13% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $33 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Will XRP be used as the primary currency for the 4th IR? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway, click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.